Yeah, today I'm going to give you a quick hands-on review of the Akai Smart Box which has been launched in India. This box has been priced close to 6,500 rupees, which is quite competitive price for an Android box of this size. This one runs on a 1.2 gigahertz single core processor, has 1 gigabyte of RAM, Android 2.3 out of the box, supports HDMI. The USP of this box is that it runs on CRT televisions as well. It has a cable which is supplied in the box, and it has AV output, so you plug it in the device, the other end into your CRT TV, which is the old letterbox 4:3 resolution, and it runs on the CRT TVs as well, making it a smart TV out of the box. This device comes with an Akai mouse. This is a wireless mouse, comes in the box. This cable, one HDMI cable, a power adapter. Let me show you the device closely. On the rear you have a microphone port, an Ethernet port, an audio video port for CRTs, an HDMI, 4 USB ports and a power port. With this you can connect through the Wi-Fi networks as well, and if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, you can connect through the normal Ethernet connection and make this box as your Wi-Fi hotspot. Using this box you can connect other Wi-Fi devices, which is one of the unique features. And what you see here is a Reliance dongle connected to it right now, so you can use 2G as well as 3G dongles on this. Drivers come pre-installed, and you can make this box a router using the wireless 2G or 3G internet, and you can use it on other devices as well. When we're talking about the interface, this runs on a 2.3 Android, and the interface has been totally customized by Akai. But one other thing which Akai has kept in mind is that they have not created a server to stream data. This is an open system, so this is like an open Android device. Let us show you a quick hands-on of the interface. What you see here is the home screen, which has been neatly placed in different folders. So here you have browser, apps, games, mail and instant messaging, multimedia, and utility and settings. So in browsers, you can quickly open the browser and browse through your favorite websites. There is a home button shortcut on the screen. You can run games, etc. So this is the simplification of the screen which has been done by Akai. You can change the background if you like. This interface remains the same. As per the technology team of Akai, the newer versions of the Android will be rolled out later, probably a quarter or two later, which will enhance the software capabilities of the device. Probably they will also come up with an upgraded version of the hardware if required. This is pretty much it on the Akai quick hands-on review of the smart box. We'll give you a more detailed review later. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, do subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Yeah, this is Rohit Khurana.